Do you often find yourself overwhelmed and on the verge of a breakdown, struggling to create footage, add effects, and find source material? Want to make a video, but just downloading the software and learning the interface takes you 3 days and 3 nights? Today, I'm going to share a super powerful AI video editing tool with you. It's called FlexClip. It's not just software, it's practically your personal editor, and the pay is incredibly low. What's so amazing about FlexClip? You won't be intimidated by those technical jargon anymore. It integrates all the coolest features in one place. From AI video production and scriptwriting to AI image and music creation, it's all done in one go. Even if you're a computer novice like me, you can become a pro with just one click. Ditch those complicated software programs that seem like gibberish. FlexClip makes it as easy as playing with building blocks in kindergarten. Video production? A piece of cake. Let's get started and see how AI works automatically for you. Do you often struggle to find cool enough images? Stop wasting time searching everywhere. Just type in a sentence, and FlexClip's AI can instantly conjure up any image you want. You don't need to be an artist to easily create your perfect image, like making a wish to a genie. It's practically a cheat code for creativity. Do you also want to turn your photos into museum-quality works of art? FlexClip Photo to AI. Art tools that instantly give you the magic of an artist. Do you want Van Gogh's brushstrokes? Or the style of Japanese manga? AI stylizes with a single click. Try it now. Import your photos and explore the magical power of AI. Still struggling with background music? FlexClip's AI music tool is a magician in the music world. It can not only create music out of thin air using text. Even more amazing is its music-to-music conversion. Just give it a melody you like Taylor Swift's The Fate of Ophelia, add some lyrics, and you'll create a brand new song and lyrics. You don't need to know music theory, even computer novices can become music producers. Try it now and let AI add amazing background music to your videos.
In the spotlight, she twirls with grace, a dancer lost in dreams in every space. Whispers of silk,
Give this a like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications. Your support is the driving force behind the growth of small creators like myself, and the source of my continued sharing of valuable tutorials. Stop burning the midnight oil trying to create a video from scratch. Head over to FlexClip and check out the templates. Enter keywords or a category, click Customize, and voila! You're 80% done. The editing interface is incredibly intuitive. The left side has a function bar, the right side is a preview screen, and the bottom shows your scenes. Edit text with a couple of clicks, and drag and drop to replace images and videos. No need for timelines or complex parameters. Computer novices don't need to worry about any of that. Want to create a YouTube intro, travel photo album, or company promotional material? Copy the scene, add your logo, and it's output in minutes. This efficiency is practically cheat code. FlexClip turns you into a master in a second. Reading long blog posts? Too slow. FlexClip, this AI blog link to video conversion tool, is a content accelerator. The operation is amazing. Just paste your article link, and the AI can read it with one click, automatically breaking down the key points, adding materials, transitions, and voiceovers, turning it into a super eye-catching video. Even computer novices can turn text into a traffic-generating code. Come and see. FlexClip, making your articles come alive and go viral. The efficiency is like a time machine.
Once deemed inaccessible, now welcomes mindful travelers. The sustainable development fee is reduced, making it an ideal time to explore serene landscapes and ancient monasteries. Sustainable tourism efforts are inspiring. Rajasthan, India, captivates with palaces, markets, and Bengal tigers. Jaipur, Udaipur, and Jodhpur offer rich history, while desert escapes provide tranquility. Ranthambore National Park offers tiger safaris. Zimbabwe's tourism renaissance shines in 2025. Victoria Falls is a must-see, while Wang National Park offers incredible wildlife encounters. Community-led tourism initiatives and
FlexClip's AI superpowers are so vast, we could talk about them for 3 days and 3 nights. Click the link below the video to experience this unparalleled AI magic for yourself. Don't leave yet. Be sure to watch the bonus scene at the end. Was the video helpful? Remember to give it a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and turn on notifications.
In shadowed halls where whispers sigh, a painted princess wakes to fly. Her courtly dress a veil of time, she seeks her past lost in the rhyme. With gentle steps on marble cold, she wanders tales of love untold, through secrets held in candlelight. A quest for truth beneath the night. Come find me in the echoes fade, where high in candlelight the shadows dance. A princess stands lost in a glance. Burgundy flows like the twilight sigh. Gold thread shimmer as moments fly. Lay softly whispers adorned with a jewel bow on a heart's embrace. Calm her gaze, a story untold. In baroque dreams, her beauty unfolds. In shadowed halls where whispers sigh, a painted princess wakes to fly. Her courtly dress a veil of time, she seeks her past lost in the rhyme.